action. We're back in the action, boys. 2021 just started. Craziness already. It's nuts. But with 2021 getting started, I think this is a really good time to do a video that you guys have been asking so much for. Brand, you're a jewelry channel, somewhat. I don't know. I hate to think of myself in that way, but I guess that's kind of what it turned to be. Once we finally can go outside again, we'll get back more to the public stuff. But anyway, Brand, jewelry reviewer, where's your jewelry collection video? Well, we'll do it today. We've got a lot of new pieces, boys. I'm super excited to show you this. We'll do another one, I guess, next year at this time. It'll be kind of a new thing we do. I don't know. Next year I'll probably be hooking myself off, so I won't speak now. Updated jewelry collection video. We changed scenery for this one. It's a special vid. Didn't even think about this. We're in the Supreme room showing off jewelry on YouTube. I look like an asshole. But what can you do? So yeah, man, thank you guys so much for all the support. Now, if you want to start your own jewelry collection, I'm going to help you. If you guys get 1,500 thumbs up within the day on this video, I'm giving away a free gold rope chain. Real gold. All you got to do is thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here. Leave me a message on there once you did it. 3 steps, mad easy. Good luck with that. Appreciate you guys all support. All the jewelry I've gotten, obviously, that I'm going to show in this video is due to your support. Due to your support? Dude, I don't know. You guys did it for me. Thank you so much, man. It's dope. Not that I have the sickest jewelry collection ever, but I dig it. The girls dig it. The girls don't dig it. The girls don't care. This is the big thing. The guys dig it, which is weird. Kind of contradicting what my actual goal is with this jewelry. But boys, let's get into the 2021 jewelry collection from NameBran. In my Supreme room. Sponsored ad, but it's our own website, so don't get too mad about it. If you check the link down below, this video is brought to you by NameBranFan.com. Once again, our own website. Boys, if you're gonna try to like bring up your jewelry collection, don't spend the money you don't have on the real stuff. Spend the money on the fake stuff on our website. I handpick all the stuff. You guys can just go check it out. Look at, I've got a screen thing going on right now. NameBranFan.com. Everything's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You could actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So don't add 1 thing to your cart, add 2 things that are free for the price of 1 shipping. NameBranFan.com, we got you. Thanks. Alright, boys, let's get into it. No time wasted. So like I say, it's been a year. We've gotten a lot of pieces. Now wait, oh, first off, just to live up to the hype, I got ICEBOX for y'all right there. I know everyone's been asking me to get the new ICEBOX like carrying case for the jewelry. I didn't get it, so I just wrote that on there, and B looks like a C, so don't judge, bro. I haven't had to write since high school. I'm a YouTuber. I forgot how it works. So some of these things you guys have seen, and actually some you haven't. Guaranteed, a lot of you guys haven't seen. This is, I guess, my entire real jewelry collection, if we're gonna think about it that way. And what else I gotta say? I don't know. Thanks again. This is lame. This is douchey, what I'm doing with the Supreme chair behind me, and it's Supreme thing. It's weird. Nonetheless, let's get views. Let's try to get views. Alright, let's go. Boys, we're gonna go from, I don't know. We're just gonna go in this order, actually. First piece we got here is actually the one I'm giving away to you guys. So if you guys wanted to look at it, that's the real gold chain right here. This is what they call a rope chain. Once again, 1,500 thumbs up within the day. I think with my collection, just giving a little input to it, I don't think it's that dope. And I've actually been slowing down, if you guys haven't noticed, the past couple of months, because I'd rather buy bigger pieces that are going to hold my value a little bit better, as opposed to the smaller ones just for videos. You know what I mean? So expect less real jewelry purchases in the future, but like bigger ones, but lesser, but bigger. You know what I mean? Next up, we got this one right here. Show this one off. The first ones I'm gonna show you is all the stuff you saw in the last jewelry video. We've got a white gold rope chain, same as the gold one, a little bit thicker. I broke the thing, so I don't wear it anymore. I'm not too much of an alchemist, if you will, so I don't really know how to fix it, and I won't. Next, first off, here's a little sneak peek. That's how filled it is. The whole thing's filled. I need a new box. That's what she said. No, that's what he said, and hope for a better box this time. A little tighter. Alright, hopefully there aren't new people to this channel that don't get my humor. We're gonna start with the chains and go up. Maybe, I don't know. Next, this was an ICEBOX purchase, and actually this one I gave to my mom. I got a couple pieces for my mom for this video. I just borrowed them back so I could show them off, just kind of things that we bought this year. We got this one from ICEBOX. It didn't fit, bro. It's a little tiny bracelet. If you know me, I don't do research before buying anything generally, so I got this thing, and I thought it was gonna be bigger. We were trying to buy something cheap from ICEBOX, and it turned out bad. It's a size of my freaking baby toe, bro. I could have said wiener, it would have been funnier, but it's not the truth. My wiener's a little smaller than that. Next, what we got, actually, we're just gonna lay it all out on the table right here so y'all can kind of see the pile as it grows. I think that's fun. Let's get into these, actually. This one right here is my next one. This is just a regular, I can't remember what the chain is called, and to be honest, it's not my favorite style. It's just a regular gold chain, little tiny diamonds in there, and those diamonds I'm pretty sure actually aren't real. I got these for free from a sponsorship from one of my boys out in Toronto, so that was really dope. He does really good work. It's Jewelry Toronto, North Jewelry, I think. I don't know. Kind of a cool piece. I just like personally having something around my neck, or else I feel like a little bit like empty without it, or like that's so sad. No, I feel like a little I feel a little naked without a chain. So if I'm not really trying to flex or anything like that, I just kind of want a chain on. I'll usually pop this one on right there. Kind of a cool chain. Next up, the same sort of thing. And actually, last jewelry collection video, I was looking for this. I thought I had lost it. I found it, boys. We got, this one's just silver. She ain't white gold or anything. Same thing with the diamonds on it. Let's get a little closer pictures here, boys. I'd market value this one at $3,492 at least. This thing's absolutely beautiful. It's got pieces of dead skin from NameBran on it. That's on the price is what it is. If you guys want to purchase, hit me up. Beautiful piece right there. So far, we're making up a pile, boys. Let's put this right here. Do we do that? That looks bad. No, I just have... Supposed to be a B, bro. Oh. Alright, next, we're getting into the stuff that we actually got this year. Another one, just, I usually just like, when it's real jewelry that I rock, I try to keep the stuff that, you know, is real. Silver, big silver chain, haven't polished in a while. This was actually one of my first, like, bigger pieces. Also got it for free. Dope. I like the free stuff, man. From the same guy, Toronto North. I don't know, I can't remember. North Jewelry. There we go. Thing's heavy, man. Super dope. I actually like it. I want to get it polished again because I think it's really sick. Next up, we're getting into the stuff we got this year. Kind of. Let's get into, let's switch it up a little bit. Let's get into watches real quick. We got 3 watches here. I've had more this year, gave some away. The first one we have here in the jewelry collection is this Gucci watch that I spent way too much money on, almost $10,000, I think. And this is like my first big purchase when I made like 50 grand one month. And I'm not saying this to like just brag or anything, but I made like quite a bit of money one month. And I'm like, I'm gonna buy so much stupid things and not do any research apparently. So I bought this. The thing might be a grand. You guys probably couldn't tell. Has diamonds all in there, but they look like pinpricks. I wouldn't even call them diamonds at all. But we do have some diamonds here. It's Gucci. I like Gucci at the time. I was buying a bunch of sweaters and stuff, really laying into the hype. I was like, I'm done with Supreme. That's kid stuff. Let's go Gucci. That was lame. Now I just like plain white t-shirts. But anyway, we got our Gucci watch right here. This will always go down in history of one of the stupidest purchases we've ever made on the channel. We got an Apple Watch. If anyone wants to buy this thing, I don't want it. I don't use it. I don't like tech to begin with, which is, we're just gonna get rid of that. I don't like tech to begin with, bro, at all. I hate having my phone on me. I hate texting. If you want to talk to me, you gotta call me. That's just how I work. This thing just brings out everything that I don't like, and I got it like a little while ago. I thought it was cool to have, probably. Oh, sorry, if my girlfriend's watching, she bought it for me. So I love it. Anyway, if somebody wants to buy it, let me know. It's a 42 millimeter. I couldn't tell you what brand or whatever. It's Apple. I don't know. Now, this one right here, kind of happy to have this one back, to be honest. This one, if you guys remember, I actually gave to cameraman Ian that rents out my basement. He liked it, but I actually got it back from him because I bought, it wasn't really his style. I bought him a better watch that was really more of his style. It was a little too clunky for him. So we just traded back. What I have right here is a Johnny Dang watch. This thing just looks god awful. I don't like it at all, but it was part of a video buying a cheap Johnny Dang watch off eBay. It's kind of sick actually. Now I put it, no, it's big. It's weird. It's stupid, but it's real. Yeah, I don't know. It's just one of those purchases for a video, you know, make your money back, put out the video, give out some good content, see what you can buy off eBay, and that was just kind of my mindset to it, but it's still kind of cool to have a Johnny Dang watch. We also had another one that will not be joining us today because, and it had diamonds on it from Johnny Dang, but I smashed it in a video because I thought it'd be funny. That one's gone. We're going real quick here, boys. We're going real quick, but we're not half done. Next up, let's get to the pendants real quick. My first ever name brand pendant, and some of you guys, if you saw the last video, have seen some of these things, but I promise you'll see some more stuff that you didn't see in the last video. We have a name brand pendant right here. At one point, that was like my logo. I don't know if I'd really call it my logo anymore. It was just a little design I made in 2 minutes when a company asked if I wanted a free little silver chain. I made that. Some people are like, man, that's disrespectful to Canada for having the maple leaf upside down. And I'm like, man, like if I had it right side up with my name on it, it'd look weird. Look at it from a design aspect, design standpoint. Dumb comment. I love Canada. Tim Hortons is the best. Never moving. Fuck you. I really want to turn this hat forward again, but the lighting ain't just, you just won't see my face. The lighting's too bad. Next up, another pendant. This was my first like kind of bigger pendant. Silver. Actually got this for free also from my boy over at North Jewelry. It says NameBran, some wild script right there. I wish I polished some of this stuff before showing it off on video, but I didn't. It's a thick piece, man. It was really, really cool to have this as one of my first ever like name brand customized things, you know what I mean? Now we got a name brand painting on the wall. Shout out my mom's boyfriend, he made that. Another pendant, the other one I got right here. Now this is why I said some things aren't real, and this is just one of them. 2 things aren't real in this. This is sterling silver, but it's not real diamonds, and it's just like yellow gold plated. But this was a little collab that I did at one point with a company called Standards. We sold these name brand, same replica thing as the one that I just showed you, but a little cooler. You know, it's a little dirty. She's been worn out a little bit. I say I only wear real jewelry, but if something like this, that's like something that like was my merch, I don't got a problem with it. And I also never have a problem with wearing anything fake. I just feel like if I'm wearing it fake, I want to work up to the real thing with my money before wearing the fake thing. That's just kind of how I work my goals, but do whatever you want. Like I say on this channel, bro, and that's why I review so much fake jewelry. I don't care what you wear, nobody should. And anyone telling you, oh, it's fake, don't worry about it. Unless you're claiming it's real and they give you a hard time. It's like you kind of ask for that yourself if you get called out on it, but you know what I mean? This is what it is. Lastly, we're just gonna go over this real quick. This was a big purchase this year. Not gonna talk too much about it. We got the white gold 14 karat with the diamonds, says NameBran. Bad situation there. The jeweler was not good, so I actually just don't wear that anymore, and I'm gonna figure out something to do with that. I'm saving the coolest things for last, I think. We're gonna go into the rings and the last ones, which I have been really digging lately. We're done with the we're not done with the necklaces. How could I forget? We got a diamond tennis chain right here, boys. I just did a video on this. Go check it out. It's gnarly, bro. It was used for my boy, but it's still sick, you know? So I got it for a good price. Diamond, white gold, tennis chain. It is what it is, you know? It's got a good weight to it. I got it for a solid-ish deal. I don't know. I gotta clean it. It is what it is. Don't care. Next, let's get into bracelets. This one's from Johnny Dang. I think we had some from Ben Baller too, but I think I gave that to my mom or my girlfriend. I don't know where it is. I'm not sure where that went. But next up, this is the last little fake thing I guess we have. It's 100% sterling silver. It's a bracelet with fake diamonds, but this was from Johnny Dang. And of course I broke it. I didn't even wear it once. It just snapped in my hands, but I put it in my jewelry box because it's from Johnny Dang. That's all I need to tell you. Oh shoot, we were gonna do this. We're gonna put the pile on here to make it look like I'm showing you guys a lot of stuff. Why is my vape pod out of my vape? This is a disaster. Next up, boys, let's get into the ring. Oh, we got some earrings. Okay, we did a little cheap Gucci jewelry video. We got these god-awful earrings. I think they're gold or silver. I think they were silver, but they're like 500 bucks. Disastrous. What is that? All around horrible, but I think we made money off the video and I seem to entertain a few people, so I'm not gonna get too mad at that. Dude, our freaking lighting is awful. My bad. This is why I'm filming here. I'm just not gonna do it anymore. Let's get into the rings, boys. We're gonna save the best for last. First ring, this one right here. It's just a regular Cuban link style ring. The diamonds are SI, absolute garbage. It's super dark. I'm not, I also got this for free for a video. Sorry if you guys are watching this, but like, it's not the best quality diamonds. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. Real gold though. Kind of a cool piece. It does sparkle a little bit, you know. Put it on there. That wasn't supposed to go on that finger. That's not coming off. Shit. I forgot it doesn't fit on this finger. Okay, we'll worry about that after. Next up right here, this was one of my eBay mistakes. Not really, it was like 1,200 bucks. I give you the price for a lot of these things, but I forget. So we got this one right here. Diamonds are god awful. Star rings at one point though to me were super dope. Still kind of dope. Next, this one right here is a good star ring. Spent 2,200 on this one. But the diamonds are actually, they're still SI, but I think they're really, really sick. 10 karat gold. These are all real gold and stuff, by the way. Really, this is a cool piece. We call this part of my setup, you know? My regular setup with rings is having, this isn't an order of how I put them on, having this stuff on, not this one, but I can't take it off right now. And then this one right here, our next ring. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge ring fan. You guys probably already know I've been wearing rings since I was like in grade 8 or something, when my therapist that I was there for like my really bad ADHD and behavior issues. She's like, why don't you try one of these rings that spin, that'll keep you occupied. Ever since then I had rings on. So this one just says NameBran. We got about 50 diamonds in here. The rest is like a white gold on real gold. I've always been a huge fan of 2-finger rings as well. I think I got my first one, it was fake gold, but when I was like 17 or 18, I rocked it a ton. So I just love the look of them. And to answer any questions also, man, like you can move your fingers with this thing, bro. You can sock if you want to, you can pop, you can shove, you can fist. Anything you need to do, you can do it. Doesn't screw you up too much, you know what I'm saying, boys? Anyway, NameBran ring right there, I think it's dope. Last up, we got this ring. I borrowed this one from my mom. This lighting's pissing me off. Backward hat time again. This one I actually gave to my mom, but I borrowed it back for this video. This one, boys, is from ICEBOX, and I was so excited to get it because it says ICEBOX. Here's my thing with buying off like big jewelers. They're giving you a horrible price because it's their name. They upcharge you so much. You can get stuff same quality so much cheaper anywhere. Like, I'm not afraid to say that, it's just a fact. But if I'm gonna get something from ICEBOX, I want to have their name on it at least, so people know it's ICEBOX. I got it in the mail, and everyone, you guys, actually, thank you so much for this. Said it's a women's ring because of the band. I put it on my finger because I didn't believe you guys, and I get it now. This thing's a women's ring, boys. So I gave it to my mom, borrowed it back for this video, but we got the real gold, the diamonds right there. We got brand shaken, too many coffees in, a couple beers. Just kidding, no beers actually. We've been sober for a little bit, a couple days. So that's it for the rings. Now let's get into the part that is like my newest purchases. This is the stuff I've been really digging, but I don't wear, which sounds dumb. I think it's a good idea when I buy this stuff that I'm about to show you, but when I wear it, I feel like an asshole. First thing, we're talking grills, by the way. We got my first set of grills ever in diamonds. We got these puppies right here, boys. The full-on bust down, kind of, on 2 teeth. Grills right here. I've always been a huge fan of grills that I just kind of sit back here. My first pair of grills was like back when I was like, I can't remember what age, but when I hit 10,000 subscribers about like 10 years ago, or like, I don't know how long ago, my gift to myself was a set of gold grills, just 2 teeth. This one I did here, can't really see it, and you can't see this one at all, so that's why I just didn't put any diamonds on it. I thought it'd be a waste of money. Unfortunately, I got this, and I'm like, oh man, like, one thing, I got a baby tooth down here still. I don't know why. I still have a baby tooth, so these started like really like, I think like rubbing it weird, and I didn't want it to get like wiggly and stuff, so I got a different set for the other side. Different teeth, I actually moved them up one tooth so you could see it a little bit more. That's that right there. It seemed like a really cool idea, a really cool like video idea too, but then I wear them and I just feel like a douche, so I don't really wear them, to be honest. But down right there, full on freaking diamonds, boys. Full on diamonds. My finger's wet, that's gross, but I don't know, they were cool. And then when I bought my second pair, because my jeweler, or the guy I was dealing with, thought I was an idiot for having to buy another one. I guess he felt bad. This is the last piece of jewelry, boys. I've gone through a lot. I guess he felt bad, so he already had my tooth mold. He threw this in right here. Sterling silver. Bottom grills. These ones are sick. Weirdly enough, I want to wear these more than no, maybe not. I look at myself right now, I'm like, you look like an ass. But they look sick. I don't know, I want to wear them, bro. I'm not one to be self-conscious about things either, but I just like, I want to come off chill and not douchey. You know what I mean? I guess that's how you talk to people, but just looking at me with these in, and the way I dress generally, yeah, it's just not gonna work out, especially with this hat, and if you know I got a Supreme room, I'm an ass. Anyway, that's my jewelry collection. I think this is probably gonna be very long. I gotta edit this up because I gotta go pick up my girlfriend from the hospital. So, she's a nurse. No, she's not dying. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Mark the Game Greatest of all time, y'all the goats. Glad to bring out this video, and we'll come back to you in another year if I'm not, you know, down on the streets. Appreciate y'all. Wow.